Boys, that sounds so sick. I'm so excited to show this Dad. He has no idea.
Yeah.
Right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes. Oh my God. What's that? Look at that. What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now, this is part two of a two-part series. So if you haven't watched the first one where we actually install this. So this is a Forge induction kit that Forge have kindly sent over to us. I actually already have an induction kit on my car and sounds absolutely fantastic. However, this car did not have one, and I'll share with you what it sounded like before. So here's a clip of it. As you can tell, not very good. Well, in the last video, we literally just fitted the induction kit, and I'm about to show you what noise this makes. So here we go. Bear in mind, I've got no idea what this is gonna sound like. And my dad doesn't even know that I've modified this car. So I explained this all in the last video, so go watch the last video. It'll be in the top right of your screen now. Click it if you don't know what I'm on about, but anyway, enough. Here we go. Oh. Oh my God. That sounds so good. Wait, I'm gonna put my mic. 1 second, boys. I'm gonna put my mic like here so you can hear it. 1 second. Boys, that sounds so sick. I'm so excited to show this Dad. He has no idea. Oh, that is awesome. Right, I need to go and get him. I need to go and get him and show him. I'm gonna go jump in the Tiguan and go and get him. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna change his car around as well so it's facing him. Actually, I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna blindfold him. I'm gonna reveal it. He's not gonna see anything different with the car. He's gonna look at it and go,
"Oh, what are you doing?"
Little does he know. I mean, can we just appreciate that? Wow. Do you not answer your phone?
I've been outside. Don't call me like this.
So, whilst my dad is getting changed, I want to sort of show you guys a clip that I used in the last video. I'll roll that clip now, and then I'll come back to this video, and then we'll pick him up and we'll go show him. But yeah, my goal with this channel is to try and sort of give back to people and sort of try and do something for good. Now, today is going to be that day for my dad. So my dad has done absolutely everything for me, and he has sacrificed so much to be able to provide for myself and my other two siblings as well. And this is just one of the things I want to do for my dad. And I know that he's watching this. You are my idol, and I'm so excited I'm able to have this opportunity along with the help from Forge to be able to do this to your car. But yeah, thank you, huge thank you. The video would not be possible without Forge, but yeah, so please guys, go over to the website, use my code JoshsPOV10, spend some money on the website, use my code because it helps me massively, enables me to make more videos like this. And possibly even the next one, somebody that has an Audi TT or needs some upgrades, we could work together, me and Forge, and actually come to your car and actually do your car up as well. So yeah, leave a like on the video, subscribe, hit the bell icon as well, because you'll be notified every single time we upload. Dad needs to hurry up and get changed because I need to show him his car. And like I said, he doesn't know anything about it, so it's exciting. Right, before we start, you need the mic.
I need the mic.
Yeah. So you got to close your eyes just before we get there. But, like I said, Ford, close your eyes. Keep them closed. Right, hold out your hands. Right, open your eyes.
What's that? What's that? You're gonna say something about
Okay, well,
you haven't even got your thing on properly.
Get in the car.
All right.
Right, so before we go around the corner into my estate, I've told Dad to close his eyes. Keep them closed. There she is. Keep them closed.
There's the door.
Okay, yeah. Right, I'll put you in a position where. Keep coming.
This is not.
Keep coming. Keep coming. Dad, I'm not going to fall.
All right.
Go,
Okay.
bro,
Okay.
keep
Yeah.
going. Ready?
Yeah.
Right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes.
Right. Are you not seeing it? So it's not obvious.
Right, stay there.
Yes.
Sorry, up.
What's this?
No, that's my key. Don't worry about that.
Yeah.
You still don't know, do you? Wait. Before you do that.
Hang on.
Wait.
It's making some weird burbly noise. It sounds like it's different on the rev. Oh no. Oh my God. What's that? Look at that. Oh, is this what you got on yours?
Yeah.
Yeah, right, hang on.
It's literally the same thing.
No, look at it though. Blimey.
Dad, I can't explain how nice this is.
Right, I know, I heard some burbling, which I've never heard before. Hang
It
on.
should be fairly warm anyway.
Yeah, I don't know.
Hey, go on, rev it.
There's like a... Oh, you can hear it now.
Yeah, stand at the front. Stand at the front. I'll show you.
Oh, God. God.
Hold the camera.
Right. Right, go on then.
Got it?
What am I aiming at? You?
No, the...
Right.
Right, ready?
God. Oh. Oh, blimey. So what? You'll have to explain to me then. Go on.
Right, okay, so this is
Go
the
on.
Ford full induction kit.
Oh my God.
From replaces the whole airbox system all the way back, brand new hardware all
Oh
over it as well.
God.
I've made sure as well it's
Yeah.
nicely
Yeah.
serviceable for you, but
Oh my God.
it doesn't like cut anything on the
Oh, yeah.
engine. So if you really needed to, you can always put it back to start.
Brilliant. Oh, that's amazing.
Do you want to go for a
God.
drive?
Yeah, go on. You coming with
Ready?
us? Go on then, we'll have to take you for a drive. Is there any petrol in it?
Yeah, I'll pop it up for you.
Oh my God.
What do
You're
you
coming
think?
in. I'm amazed. I wonder what it was. I couldn't see anything. But it's definitely a burbling. It sounds different at the back. I'm sure it does.
Yeah, that might be like a knock-on effect.
Yeah.
but-
Are you hopping in then?
Yeah. I think it's happy, boys. Mission accomplished. Again, shout out to your boys at Forge. Say thank you, Forge.
Yeah, thank you. It's excellent.
So if you want the same reaction as my dad, buy something from Forge and use my code, Josh10.
Right, let's see what this is like.
Right, yeah, let's go out onto the motorway. Go on, foot down! There you go! Oh, it sounds so nice! Finally, you don't just hear, like, so with this car, the exhaust sounds nice on it, but it's just a shame you didn't hear anything from the Induction, but now you can hear it. So yeah, whilst on the drive back, guys, I'm going to finish the video off here. If you have enjoyed this video, please drop it a like, drop it a comment, and also subscribe if you haven't already. This was so awesome to film, the fact that we're able to do this to Dad's car. I mean, look at his face. He's definitely happy. And if you want this face, this smiley face, you can actually, not his actual face, you can actually go to the link in the description, go purchase this if you have a Mark II. They also do Mark 1 stuff as well, so if you are in the market for anything VAG or just anything in general and upgraded to your current system, go to the link in the description, use my code JoshsPOV for 10% off everything, and also buy yourself some merch like this. Like, who else is doing this? Look at it. Look how cool we look. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I've been Josh. This has been my dad, who's very well deserving of this. And again, shout out to Ford. Without them, this would not have been possible. Yeah. But thank you so much, guys. And that was our POV. Peace out, guys. This guy's decided to come along with us.
It's going on for a free ride. It's obviously going faster than it can fly.
Yeah. And he must like the sound of the Induction kit.